Hello everyone, I'm going to unbox a new DELL G5 15 gaming laptop. You can see the specification here. 1010 Windows 10 NVIDIA GTX 2016 6GB and 16GB RAM with SSD. Let's go. I ordered this from original DELL.com and it took like 1 week to arrive. Let's go this side first. And you have charger. Oh, it's kind of different from other laptop chargers I had, and I have seen it is a little bit big. What else we have? Okay, let's go for big one now. Take a laptop. Okay. And let's see the catalog first. It looks like we have two mics, power button, and what we have ports, USB 3.2, Thunderbolt Type C 3. Okay, we have a display jack 2 with USB-C. What is this? 1, 2, 3. Oh, it comes with Ubuntu. It is fine. Dell.com support /Windows. I believe we have to install. Yeah, I'm not sure. Let's see first. Okay, let me show you my previous laptop first. This one is my previous laptop. Dell Inspiron 15. It do have GeForce 625, very small VGA. What we have here, it is very heavy, guys. It is very heavy, like 2 bags of school books. Okay, we have the beast, at least Dell. Wow. Dell G5. See here. And these sides. USB-C VGA output, network, USB and HDMI port. What is this port? I have no idea what is that. That one is probably, where is that? The 5 wage clock slot. Okay, I have never used that one. Mini display with NVIDIA. Okay, I guess that one is the display port. And why we have USB-C display port? Okay, we have 2 display port. Mini DP with NVIDIA. It is exactly look like. It's supposed to come from the NVIDIA jack. Okay. And what we have on the other side. Two USB and SDR. No. Why it is not in English? Everything is in Japan. Okay, let's open this. Okay guys, I'm going to open the lid. It doesn't look like this, right? We have keyboard like this, and surprise, we have the backlight. It's kind of backlight. See, it is beautiful. I'm going to set up the windows first. And very smooth touch pad and awesome.
Your keyboard is set to US. Want to stick with that? Do you also type with another keyboard layout? Now let's get you connected to a network. That way you can get updates, apps, and cat videos as soon as possible. How about the first one on the list? Want to use that one? Now type your credentials. Mission accomplished. You're all linked up.
Look like Cortana is funny.
Now we have some important setup to do.
So in the back, it look like we have 2 fans. So it may be important to keep 2 cooling fans here and here to
Now let's see what's new from
make more
Windows.
efficient than the bottom. Yeah, bottom is also have some. We have some.
Next up, the legal stuff. In short,
I guess
you'll need to select accept to use Windows. You can decline, but then,
okay, I'm going to set up this
no Windows.
separately. I'm going to close the windows and I will be back.